AI-driven copywriting tools for email marketing. What are AI-driven copywriting tools for email marketing? AI-driven copywriting tools are software applications that use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to help you create high-quality, engaging email copy quickly and efficiently. These tools analyze your brand's tone, style, and messaging, and use data to suggest the best words, phrases, and structures to use in your email campaigns. Key features of AI-driven copywriting tools. 1. Content suggestions. AI-driven tools provide suggestions for email subject lines, headings, and body copy based on your brand's tone and style. 2. Personalization. These tools can insert personalized elements such as names, addresses, and interests into your email copy to increase engagement. 3. Segmentation. AI-driven tools can analyze your email list and suggest the most effective segmentation strategies to improve deliverability and engagement. 4. A/B testing. These tools can help you create and test multiple versions of your email copy to optimize performance. 5. Integration. AI-driven copywriting tools often integrate with popular email marketing platforms such as Mailchimp or Constant Contact. Benefits of using AI-driven copywriting tools. 1. Improved efficiency. AI-driven tools can help you create high-quality email copy quickly and easily. 2. Increased engagement. By using personalized and relevant content, these tools can help you increase open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. 3. Data-driven insights. AI-driven tools provide valuable insights into your email campaign performance, helping you optimize future campaigns. 4. Scalability. These tools can handle large volumes of email campaigns, making them ideal for businesses with large email lists. Popular AI-driven copywriting tools for email marketing. 1. Mailchimp's AI-powered content assistant, a built-in tool that helps you create personalized and relevant email content. 2. Campaign Monitor's Content Builder, a drag-and-drop tool that uses AI to suggest the best content for your email campaigns. 3. HubSpot's Email Template Builder, a tool that uses AI to suggest the best email templates based on your brand's style and messaging. 4. Selligent's Copywriter, a tool that uses AI to suggest the best email content based on your brand's tone, style, and messaging.